Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to combine text and dates in Excel and how to make sure those dates look just right to your messages. So here's the example table. We are working with events and their dates. If you try to combine text and a date with a simple formula like this, you will end up with something like event meeting on 45800. That's number is actual date serial number. To fix it, use the text function to format the date properly. Here's the formula I use. Now you get event meeting on 11/8/2025. Much clearer and more readable. Just drag the formula down to apply it to other rows and Excel will format all your event dates nicely inside the message. You can also change the date format to something like DD-MMM-YYYY if you want it to show as 11-August-2025. And that's it. A simple way to make your Excel messages look professional and easy to read. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you want more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.